4th of July, Independence Day, it might not be a big holiday for you where you're at, but if it is, it's this unique set of colors, it's a unique day, and we get to have a chance to talk about some of what makes it awesome and some of what makes it hard today. The 4th of July is really fun because you get to use a color combination. Red, white, and blue, it's already 4th of July. So take any designs that you love painting that you feel really confident. It can be a butterfly or a snake or really anything. You paint it in red, white, and blue and it's going to be holiday appropriate. But painting flags is miserable. There are 50 stars and 13 red and white stripes, and where does the red part go? I've done all of this and it's a mess. And then you only get one day to do it. So take a deep breath, calm yourself, and I'm gonna show you some of the things that I like to do. Number one, it's in July, and so it's going to likely be very hot. Have water so that you're hydrated. Make sure it's cold water. I usually use one of those like sweatbands made of a chamois cloth around my neck. I want to keep my body temperature down because the 4th of July is a unique holiday where everybody gets painted. I paint more moms and dads on the 4th of July than I do any other day of the year. Except for maybe Halloween. The 4th of July is like National Get Your Face Painted Day, and you now paint everybody in the family. It means that your line is longer. So we've got people that are hot in a long line, and that can be troublesome too. So you might want to make sure you have a line manager, or I've even used really big umbrellas that I have people in the line hold so that you really try and make it a comfortable day for everybody. Red, white, and blue, you've got these designs, but then we have the other parts. We've got fireworks are a big part of the 4th of July. Stars and stripes forever, of course. Then this is one of the few days that I get to use words and letters. So God Bless America is beautiful to write on somebody's face. USA is a lot of fun. And then we also have the eagle. It's really fun to be able to paint on the 4th of July, but it is a long day. It's a long, hot, sweaty day. Make sure that you feel like you get to celebrate freedom on a day that you don't get to pick your colors or your design. Variety is the spice of life, and we can go red, white, and blue, or kind of red, white, and blue, or kind of red, white, kind of blue. And all of a sudden now we have a lot more combinations. You also have the option of some really fun glitter choices that again can just step up your designs. Now, one stroke painting, instead of just sticking to red, white, and blue, I've added that pink in, and on the blue side I added a metallic blue. You can sponge just that side or just the middle. When you're cutting for one stroke, so you want to have your brush in mind. Now here I have red, pink, and white. Here I can get red, white, and blue. Over on this side I can get just blue and white. I like to be able to have a blue over here, and then when that one gets soupy, I've got another backup. Stripes really aren't too bad, especially if you have a one-stroke cake. All you have to do is you want to remember to load half of it with white and half of it with red, and then you can just go right across and you have perfectly lined up stripes. It works like a charm. Stars can be kind of miserable, so once in a while I let myself cheat, and oh my gosh, look at the stencil. We're able to just go ahead and get perfect stars every single time. One of the things that I really like to do on the 4th of July is I like to play a little bit of a game. Come up with a couple trivia questions. What is our nation's national bird? What are the 3 colors on the flag? What year did the Revolutionary War happen? Like whatever you want. And you vary how challenging the questions are based, and you say, I have this big surprise or something. Wait for it. Yay! You find some silly little trinket that you can hand out to be like, you are officially patriotic. And so this year, as I have a cute little girl that sat so still, your prize for sitting still or your prize for knowing trivia is, yay! It's so much fun! And Amazon has these for like 20 bucks for 144 of them, and the kids will love it. They will eat it up, and that $20 I can almost guarantee will show up in your tip jar. Feel free to spend some time in the comment section if you have questions. I would love to be there for you. Or, you know, I would love if you try any of these. I'd love to see how they turn out for you. So feel free to use the hashtag #LearningWithLaura so I can check it out. But thanks for being here. Thanks for spending some time celebrating with me. And I won't see you on the 4th because I'll be out there painting too.